Hello everybody. So this is actually the second time I've ever played Nes Maker because we were doing a first take but there was ending up being a problem with it. So wait, and the sound, because there was a wrong sound. And I said that I wanted to make adventure type game. So let me explain a Zelda type game. So I think adventure game would be the best for that.
Mm-hmm.
So here's my idea of this adventure game. You're a baby with a sword. How you move around is you roll around. A is to swing your sword. That's basically the main game.
That'd be cool. Okay, so yeah, we tried opening up Nes Maker and we were like,
But it sounded so yeah.
Now we're gonna watch this. It's a 20-minute project
But
tutorial.
it sounded real crappy, so let's.
Yeah.
Joe Granado, welcome to the brand new Nes Maker 4.1.0 tutorials.
Thanks.
These specific tutorials are going to show off how to start creating with the base modules the easy way.
Yeah.
All right, let's jump back in time to a few months ago when we released an adventure game tutorial. We're going to recreate that using 4.1.0 in blazing speed. So check this out. I'm going to open up 4.1.0.
Okay, we know how to do that.
And we are going to make a new project, blank tile set called Adventure. And I'm going to choose the Adventure
Baby's
module.
Adventure.
Now, I say this a third time. These are not the end-all, be-all of modules. This is just a random group of scripts that we've put together that can do the basic thing of an adventure game. If you want to make your epic Legend of Zelda-like game, it's going to take a lot more work than this, and you're going to have to really dig into
That's
what
what
this
we need.
software can do. But to get up and started in under
Legend
20
of
minutes,
Zelda.
this is one way that you can do it and then start learning how the tool actually operates. Okay, everything said? Okay, good. Okay, so now I've got an
Let's do that much.
Yeah.
As we follow along.
Why does everything look so bright on the picture of Team Pony? You better be familiar with Team Pony.
So, just like he said, we'll open up
Nes
Nes Maker. We'll go File, New, use blank tile set folder name. I don't know if this is going to be Baby Adventure because we're going to have to follow along with just what they say. This be Test Adventure.
Yeah.
Test Adventure. Starting module, he said to do Base Adventure Mod.
That sounds like you're gonna mod a game. Like you're gonna mod Zelda.
Okay, we did what he said, and nothing happened. But continuing on.
adventure game base where my scripts have loaded in, and you'll even see that some of them say adventure game. Awesome. I'm going to load in my tile sets by going to import. Yes, I want to overwrite all of them, and I want to use, in my tutorials, adventure game tile sets. Awesome. To make sure that that actually loaded, I'm going to go to Pixel Editor, I'm going to go to Open, and yes, that is my adventure game.
Slow down, man. Slow down.
Have loaded in, and you'll even
Project
see that some of them say
settings.
adventure game. Awesome. I'm going to load in my tile sets by going to
Tile
import.
sets.
Yes, I want to overwrite all of them.
Import. Project settings. Tile sets. Import. Got it. Project settings. Tile. Tile sets up here. And we're going to import. Yes. Now, I'm assuming those folders are in here somewhere. Tutorial assets. Adventure game. And what did he choose?
And I want to use, in my tutorials, adventure game tile sets.
Adventure game tile sets. Okay. Okay.
Awesome. To make sure that that actually loaded, I'm going to go to Pixel Editor, I'm going to go to Open, and yes, that is my
Pixel editor open. Okay. So adventure assets. Okay. Now pixel editor.
And one thing, we're going to need to figure out how to make boss fights and enemies.
Mm-hmm.
And an efficient way to pick up items.
Now here these are, but for some reason they all look, they're BMP files. So we need some kind of BMP like previewer or something, you know? Otherwise, let's check something on the side here. View BMP thumbnails Windows 10. How to enable thumbnail preview. Okay. So ours looks like this. That's the problem. We can't tell what they are by looking.
But there's names.
So Windows 10 File Explorer, open the target folder, click on View. Change folder in search option. Okay. File options. View. And we want options. View tab. Always show icons. Never thumbnails. Ha. Uncheck. Apply. Apply to all folders. Now if we go back here and go open. Ah! There they are. Now we can see the thumbnails for all of these things. Okay. Moving on.
So let's load the rest of the elements that make up this game. First of all, my assets. I'm going to right click on assets, import assets, and I'm going to bring in the adventure assets.
Adventure assets. Okay, okay. We're gonna go overworld and underworld. That's cool.
Mario.
Yeah.
Mario.
Now, where was that assets that he missed? What he could.
Adventure game tile set. So let's load the rest of the elements that make up this game. First of all, my assets.
Graphic bank. In graphic, there's no asset. Oh, there's assets. Okay. And
I'm going to right right-click on assets, import.
Oh, right click on assets. Okay, import assets. Adventure assets. Okay.
Assets, and I'm going to bring in the adventure assets. I have a bunch of nice assets right here. Now I'm going to bring in my palettes by going to all palettes, import adventure palette.
Okay, all palettes. Import adventure palettes.
You know what I wish
Okay.
there was?
What?
A game making software that was actually easy to use.
That would be nice.
Palettes, and then I'm going to go to monster palettes.
Ooh, monster
Right-click,
palettes.
import object palettes. I'm going to
Oh, what was it?
I have palettes.
Okay, so monster palettes. All monster palettes. Whoops. We're gonna go right click, import adventure.
Import adventure palettes, and then I'm going to go to monster palettes. Right click, import object palettes.
Object palettes, okay.
I'm going to go to my input editor. I'm going to input, import my input links. Now I'm
Okay, you can go to input editor. And input the control scheme. Okay.
going to go to my monsters. Right click. Oh, I'm sorry, not right click. Monster. Import all monsters. Adventure.
Okay,
Right click.
graphic ink 0. Monsters. Going to import all monsters from adventure monsters.
Import my input links. Now I'm going to go to my monsters. Right click. Oh, I'm sorry, not right click. Monster. Import all monsters. Adventure monsters. It's just two. It's just an NPC and a slime. And then last but not least, I'm going to bring in all my objects. So player, I'm going to import my player. We can see that 0, 1, 8, 9. 0 is my player. 1 is my magic.
Okay.
How about we try to at least make this test adventure a decent game?
Okay.
Let's
No.
try and make it a
Player.
decent game.
Import game object player melee was
We can see that 0, 1, 8, 9. 0 is my player. 1 is my magic.
okay. Import game object magic.
Effect 0 is 8, so oops. Effect 0 is 8. I'm going to import.
Why is your player in the
Dead.
monster?
I don't know. Effect 0 game object is player death. Okay.
F and import And now I'm
Monster. And which one was it?
Effect 0 is 8. I'm going to import player death and import.
Okay, effect 1.
Just why are the players in the
Monster death. And now I'm set up to start building some screens. The one thing I am going to teach you guys right now is I can actually build asset groups. Since I'm going to have an above ground, overworld and an underworld, I'm going to make some asset groups here. I'm going to right click on asset groups, add, and I'm going to call this right click, and I'm going to rename this one
out there
overworld.
make a game making
And I'm going to right click and add, and I'm going to call this one
easy to make
underworld.
Yeah. Okay, asset.
I just bring my ideas to life. Easy to me. Luigi easy.
That would be nice. Graphics pack 1. Asset groups. And we're going to go add group. We're going to rename it Overworld. And we're going to add another group. Rename it Underworld. Okay.
And this can really help if you get like these really unruly lists of assets. I'm just going to take my overworld, drop in overworld, my tree, my block, and then my underworld. I would just drop, the ground. Now I'm not going to go through it. I'm not going to do them all, but you can see how I can actually start organizing these. Same thing with palettes. I need to make sure, actually, I'm going to use more than one palette. I need to actually make some palette groups. So here in palettes, I'm going to right click and add 2 palette groups. One of them is going to be overworld pals, and one of them is going to be underworld pals.
Okay. Palette groups. This will be overworld pals, and this would be under. Whoa!
I'm trying to.
Overworld pals, underworld pals. Okay.
And I can just drag my overworld into overworld and my underworld into underworld.
From all palettes. Okay. So all palettes. Whoa. Overworld. Drag into overworld.
This is going to take a really long time.
Yeah, this is the easy version.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I know, right?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Awesome.
Oh
Okay,
no!
so that's necessary.
Oh,
That first step with the assets is
no.
not. The palettes will be if I want to use more than one palette in the game. So I'm going to go to my overworld, and I'm just going to arbitrarily pick this screen. Okay, this one. Yeah, sure. And now I've got my overworld. I'm going to set up. I'm going to put a couple trees in here. Let's block.
Yeah, this looks like nothing in my imagination.
I'm going to go to my overworld, and I'm just going to arbitrarily pick this screen. Okay, this one. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Overworld. Now, we don't know what any of these are going to look like, but which one do you want to pick?
Let's go with. How can I choose?
Okay, now you could.
Let's go with the tree, with the area that you started. There.
Okay.
3 paths.
Sure. And now I've got my overworld. I'm going to set up, I'm going to put a couple trees in here. Let's block out the top with trees. Oops. There we go. Awesome. So now I've got a nice beginning to a forest. I'm also going to go to my HUDs and boxes. And there's a couple things I need to set up here. First of all, just like the other ones, use sprite 0 hit with sprite index 127, H blank wait time.
Okay. I think we're going to learn a lot. HUD and boxes. Use sprite 0 detection 127. Why? I wish you explained why.
One X is going to be about 246, and Y is going to be about 30, and
246.
and we can see it's drawing our sprite 0 right there, which splits our HUD between the HUD and the part of the game, and that allows us to be able to scroll with this module. With the user variables, I'm going to do keys and health. So I'm going to set up my health is going to be variable tiles. It's going to have a max.
Okay, slow down. It's like 20 minutes because he speed runs through the explanation. Okay. Now what? HUD boxes, we're doing HUD elements, okay. Element 2. My health. It's going to be a variable tile.
That's your health.
Value of 5, I guess.
What do you want your max value of your health to be? He's putting 5. We could put anything we want. Only 1 health? You're just a vulnerable person? Okay.
Full tile is going to be a heart. Empty tile is going to be an X. Again, please make sure that you set both the full and empty tiles, otherwise it's going to crash your HUD.
Okay. So, full. Wait, what? Right.
Variable tiles. It's going to have a max value of 5, I guess. Full tile is going to be a heart. Empty tile is going to be an X. Again,
Now, our HUD tiles, for some reason, don't exist.
Oh no! Oh no!
So that makes me think...
Why did you put the health to 5?
I was just seeing if it helped.
No, you only get 1 health in this thing.
Okay. He's on HUD elements, right? Now the HUD tiles. Why aren't those tiles? HUD assets, maybe he forgot to have us do. No.
What the heck is going on?
Well, Whoa! Dude, please be careful.
I'm just trying to get it off.
Okay. And bite me at the same time.
I don't know.
Okay. Now, let me think. HUD assets. he's not doing a good job explaining this because we're palettes. There's no. We don't have that heart
drawing our sprite 0 right there, which splits our HUD between the HUD and the part of the game, and that allows us to be able to scroll with this module. With the user variables, I'm going to do keys and health. So I'm going to set up my health is going to be variable tiles. It's going to have a max value of 5, I guess. Full tile is going to be a heart. Empty tile is going to be an X. Again, please make sure that you set both the full and empty tiles, otherwise it's going to crash your HUD. I'm going to put this over here, down a little bit. I'm going to make a thing that says health. It's going to be text type of element. It says the word health, and that's going to be right down on top of the health.
So, did anyone comment like, hey,
we just want a simple game maker. Do we just should we just, like go back to Tinker?
Yeah. Variable tiles. No. Game objects. I'm pretty sure I followed all the steps, but for some reason.
This guy has to be. Well, why?
Because right here should appear be HUD tiles, but they're not there. So what if I put Nes Maker HUD tiles not appearing? Here's the help HUD palette.
I think I know the next best thing. We can't get this working, and that's Tinker.
That's true. Well, should we just never mind this video?
Let's just change the way the direction this video's going in. We can't get this working.
Well, I don't know if people want to watch half an hour of us trying and failing to get any Nes Maker to work.
Yeah, let's already save this video.
Yeah, if we ever want to look back when we make our first $1 million on our video game company, we can look back at how little we knew at one time.